Before I discuss this unit, I would like to tell you very important fact and very interesting fact also at the same time. There is one country in this world where more than 50% of the population is living alone, single. There is one country in this world where more than 50% of population is single and more than 50% of the population is living with someone without marriage and having children without marriage. Okay, without marriage, I'm saying. Okay, so 50-50 is the case. There is one country in this world where I told you more than 50 are staying single, more than 50 are with someone without marriage, and the average size of the household is two, not more than that. Average is coming out two, not more than two people are living in the same household. The divorce rate in this country is highest. If people get married by chance, which is 30% case, the divorce rate is highest. And in this country, the taxation rate is highest in the world. 60% of the income is taxed. And this is the country where we see almost complete absence of housewife. 80% of the women are working women. There is no concept of housewife or stay at home mom. This country is Sweden. अब ऐसा क्यों है? It is actually like a cultural shock to many people from India and South Asia when we see such family system. A family system where there is no grandfather or grandmother, or they are just missing, completely absent. Now, as much shock we receive when we see such family, so much shock those people receive when they see joint family. उनको joint family समझ ही नहीं आता है जितना हमको ये समझ नहीं आता है. So that means when we study Swedes and their family system, we are studying them as an outsider because we are getting shocked and we are noting down everything. Similarly, when they will study joint family of India, they will also get a shock and they will start noting down everything. And this innocent observation, which is based on shock, is going to give you an outsider approach to study family system, which is required for a sociologist. A sociologist would study family system like an outsider, not just outside of India, but outside of the world. Okay. So, what kind of family do we have in Sweden? And how basically, what kind of parents or children do we have in Sweden? Okay. The children are taken care by government. Their expenses, education, healthcare, delivery of the babies is taken care by government. Unemployment allowance is given by government. Funerals are arranged by government. Therefore, in Sweden, government has replaced family. I told you one concept, structural differentiation. Many of the functions of family are now done by government in Sweden. That is why Sweden is called as a country with weakest family system on earth. But when we say weakest family, we have something in our head that we call as family. That is nothing but our model of family, through which we are calling and gazing into Sweden and calling their family as वीकेस्ट फैमिली। सो इसीलिए हमारे लिए समझना जरूरी है कि फैमिली को डिफाइन कैसे किया जाए। ये सबसे चैलेंजिंग टास्क है और इसी से हमारा ये यूनिट शुरू होता है, हाउ टू डिफाइन फैमिली। एंड रिमेंबर, वट एवर डेफिनेशन वी विल यूज टू डिफाइन फैमिली is not absolutist. It will be only our definition. That means it is going to be our ideal type.